I want to say, first of all, I want to thank Marcy. I want to thank you, Jan, for being so helpful. And I'm greatly apologetic towards you, but I'm grateful for it. Okay? I spent 9 years of my life playing professional football. I played with the Rams 6 years. I played 2 years with Detroit, the Tampa Bay Buccaneers, and 1 with Detroit.
Yes!
There you go. And what that does to your body as you get older, what that does to your body as you get older is there's this thing called pain. Okay? It just happens, all right? You're not doing anything, you're laying in bed, you have a headache because your neck is a certain way. All that stuff, all the indications. Marcy got me on these patches. The first 10 days, okay? I went down, I fell off a ladder. I mean, I went through the whole thing and I stayed with the patches. And all of a sudden, after the day that I fell off the ladder, which I think was day 7, all the pain was gone. All the dizziness was gone. Because, you know, my sharpness came back. My neck didn't hurt. I slept through the night.
Yes.
Now look, I have a lot of friends that are same as me, and I know that I can help them. Unfortunately, they're professional athletes. Professional athletes don't trust, okay? We're not trusting people because 9 million people have come to us trying to sell us something. And you know, the bottom line is that I want to go to them, get to them. The people that are on this right now and doing this right now, you know their names. I'm not going to spill their names right here, but we're working with some very high-profile people. And it takes a little bit of time to get that thing going. But when that thing gets going, we're going to roll this thing out. And you're going to be here. You're not going to have a choice but not hear it, okay? So listen, thank you very much. I'm blessed to be here.